In this video, I will show you how to build a full promo video using only motion array assets. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. First, you need to plan your promo structure. You need a hook, problem, solution, and call to action. Next, you need to download all of your assets, and you can do this using only motion array. You can go to music and search for your desired music. On the left, we have filters and options to help refine your search. If it is something that is energetic and sporty, you can add filters to help you find music that fits your video. You can also add sound effects to help bring your video to life. If there is some boxing or any other things happening in the video, you can add sound effects just to liven up your video. You also have graphics and photos that you can use, footage. You have LUTs that can help with your video or photo quality. You have motion graphics, and then you also have video templates that you can use. Once you have downloaded all of your assets, you can then open it up in your editing software. I start with the music first and cut my videos to the beat of the music. You can also add text overlays. You want to make sure that you use consistent transitions and avoid overstyling. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.